Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I format my ebooks. I use Pages for writing, and the reason I do that is so that I can write anywhere or anytime I like. I can access it from my laptop, my iPad, and my iPhone. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is bring up your document. This document that I have is a draft of my next novel, First Glance. I need to add the title page, table of contents, dedication, copyright information, and all that good stuff. So I'm going to hop over to a copy of my last novel and grab the title page and copy it over. I'm going to make any changes, change the title wherever necessary. This page also contains the copyright information, so if you're not sure what to put, feel free to use what I have, or you can Google it, or you can reference some ebooks that you've read. Now at the bottom, I'm going to make sure I insert a page break and not a section break, and I'm going to do that at the end of each section. So the next thing I'll be adding is the About the Author section, followed by the blurbs for my other books and where you can find me on social media. A lot of people add this information at the end, but when I'm done reading a book, I don't keep turning the pages and keep reading, so I personally find it useful to add this information at the beginning, and then if anybody wants, they can reference back to it after they're done reading. I'm just going to go ahead and insert another page break here. So this other books page was actually missing the blurb from my other novel, so I'm just going to hop over to Amazon, grab a quick copy of that blurb and enter it in there. Just going to make the titles in bold so they stand out a bit more. Okay, and the next section that needs to be added is the dedication section. I actually don't have a dedication written for this novel just yet, so I'm just going to put in dedication as a placeholder, followed by a page break again. Now the next thing that needs to be added is the table of contents. This is something that I don't add page numbers for on the ebook because it varies by, if you're using a Kindle or a Kobo or an iPad. So I just put the chapter titles. Usually in my novels, they're from alternating perspectives, so I usually put whose point of view that it's from. Just for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to put in table of contents, and I can update that later. Enter in another page break. So here's just where I'm showing the chapters and the alternating perspectives. Now I'm going to go through and add a page break after each chapter. Alright, the next thing I'm going to want to do is download a copy, and I want it to be the docx file format. So if you're using iPages like I am, you just choose the Word option when you're downloading a copy. Alright, the next thing I'm going to want to do is go ahead and open Kindle Create. Kindle Create is what it's the Amazon program that you use to create your ebook. If you don't know how to find it to download, stay tuned and I'll show you at the end of the video. So you just go ahead and choose your file. I'm just going to choose it where I had saved it previously. I'm just going to click continue. So it's going to show me the options that it sees that it should be in the table of contents. So it has the title page, about the author, the other books by S. Scott. So I just said that was okay, and then I'm going to go in and add each chapter. So I'm selecting prologue, and then I'm hitting chapter title, followed by the person's whose point of view it is. That's the chapter subtitle, and then I click by the first paragraph and select first paragraph, and it does that formatting for me. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for each chapter, and then as I do that, each chapter would be added to the table of contents. You don't have to go in and add it manually. It does it for you once you select that chapter title. I'm going to go ahead and save it. There are some different themes that you can play around with. I always choose just the one that it comes with. I think it's called the modern theme. As you can see, some of them, they're not that easy to read, so I just like to keep it simple and choose the one that it comes with. There's a preview function, so you can go ahead and see what it looks like. You can click tablet, I think Kindle's there, and iPhone's there, and you can see what it looks like to be read from either one of those devices. So the next thing I'm going to want to do is hit publish, and that is going to save your ebook in the KPF file format, and that's the file format that you need to upload to Kindle Direct Publishing. Alright, to download Kindle Create, you're going to log into your Kindle Direct Publishing. You're going to go under where it says create a new title and select get started with Kindle content creation tools. Scroll down till you see Kindle Create and then just choose the option that best suits your needs, Windows or Mac. So that's it. Thanks again for watching.